This IAA, I'm really excited. We have a couple of really world-breaking innovations here. We have our new product, the Actros. You can say the traditional product, but with a lot of groundbreaking innovations.
As a world premiere as well, we are offering the preventive brake assist within our Citaro, which is a USP. It's the only vehicle in the market that is able to do that. Braking for pedestrians and for people. Assistance systems are saving lives, basically. And this is why we have the Active Brake Assist 4 as a series offer within our coaches, Mercedes-Benz as well as Actros.
We also announced the e-Sprinter, battery-powered vehicles with a range of up to 150 kilometers. So they're optimized for inner city driving. On the other hand, with a fuel cell vehicle, we can achieve much greater distances, much bigger ranges, up to 500 kilometers.
With clear forms and shapes and sensual surfaces, we stage intelligent high-tech and thus create a visionary experience. The Vision Urban Attic is a concept with which we designers radically implement the freedoms that autonomous driving gives us. A vehicle never seen before.
Well, design always transforms technology into an experience, and that's actually what happened with the Urban Attic. We took that autonomous concept which enables us to do solutions we couldn't do before.